The daily is just super. All right, let me check out the. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to. Sorry, not indicators. Line. I'm going to find my resistance areas on the daily around where prices. Daily resistance and daily resistance. Now that I have that, this is the only thing that concerns me right here. Even if news is positive, this thing is so overbought. I think it'll make a pullback before the major move up, maybe to this area. So I want to switch back to my candles.
Hey Travis, it looks like
it's
just
pushing.
the heat map.
Looks like it's pushing. Jeez, I have so much stuff on there. What are you looking at? Can't see.
Yeah, it looks
We
like
can't
just
see your
the
screen. You
heat
can't see my
map.
screen? Oh, hold on. 1 second, guys. Sorry. I don't know why. Let's see here. I think that should be. How about now?
Yeah, that's good.
Yes. Well, what I was saying is these lines right here are the daily resistance levels, and the market is super overbought. The safe move would be to wait for the market to retract. And what I do to look for the reversals, if I'm expecting a reversal, and it'll probably happen, a pullback, not a reversal. Maybe a push further up. -46, 46.4, not far off, but Joe's job opening is 9.58. That's negative. Second, 9.82. Go down to our 1 minute chart, see how the market's going to react. I'm going to go ahead and put a short signal. Short. I'm going to wait for price to come back down around here. And we're going to take it down to around because I'm pretty confident there's a pullback coming based on the daily to around here. I'll put a signal in the chat. There it is right there. So if you guys can see the screen, somebody can help me out. So we're not in it yet, but I'm pretty sure this thing is going to retract and we're going to have a little sell-off there. See the screen now? All right. So in the 1 minute, let me check the RSI on the, you see this candle right here? This pattern? That's a reversal pattern. So I'm expecting it. Anytime you see wicks that are even on both sides, that means the bulls and the bears are kind of in a struggle, and there's about to be a reversal. Pretty sure of it. And 1, 2, 3. I don't know if you guys saw the signal. If you want to do a market execution and just It's gonna bounce around a little bit, but it's gonna go. Can you guys see the signal? Where is the signal? Which chat? No screen. Yes. No screen? What the hell's wrong with this thing? says it says my screen is sharing. You can see I can see your screen. I see it. Okay, all right, perfect. Let's go out to the 15 minutes, see where the RSI is there. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna set an alert on the 15 minutes on the RSI at 70. I'm just gonna wait for it to come back down. It's probably gonna come back down to this area. That's where the pullback should be. So I'll put the signal in the chat right now. Give me volume coming down. We're above the 70. We're oversold on the daily. There's just so many signals that this thing is going to reverse anytime now. Plus, we have bad news. I'm going. If you guys can see my screen, can somebody write that in for me? Let's see here. Is that entry? Thank you. Appreciate it. And this should be it. And entry. Let's see here. It's 30. Voila. And we're in it to win it. Thank you for Anna for putting that in there. All right, now I'm going to go down to my 5 minute. I want to look at the charts a little bit closer. Big red candle. See, we have selling momentum enter the market right here with this the volumes. We don't want to be in this trade until for more than an hour, I would say. Triggered for me. Let's go. I don't know why. Some people can hear me and some people can't. Can you guys hear me? Sell. It was a sell. You could do a market execution and just I don't know. All right, I don't know. Some people can't hear me. Let me go down to the 1 minute. I want to make sure this thing doesn't reverse. I mean, what I'm looking for here in the 1 minute are lower lows. So I'm looking for confirmation. Alert on US 30 relative strength index. Off we go. Sell, correct. Yes, sell. Now this area right here does concern me. A lot of traffic. Like, waiting for now another red candle to form a lower low. If you don't know what a lower low is, here, let me grab this. So hopefully that will happen. Thinking that will happen. Let's see. Candle forming. Going to struggle here a little bit.
You didn't do yogurt? You didn't do
Short
yogurt?
sell would be 75 pips, by the way, y'all. Thank you, sir. What are you going to heal? Oops, didn't mean to do that. We go out to the 15-minute here. I'm liking this candle. So remember what I always said about long wicks to the top. So right now the bulls and the bears are in a fight. It looks like the bears are winning. We're in a 15-minute. On the 15-minute we have the R side, bending back down towards the 70, which is good, which is in our favor. And the reason I put my take profit right here is because we have this area right there. This is spread maybe about. Yeah, spread is different for some brokers. I'm going to find 11 a.m. on the chart. But I tell you what, though, I think the market will move up later on this afternoon. I think there's a pullback here. And then after lunch, it'll take a rally to the top. Because although the news was bad, there is some really good news in the market as well. The reason I took this trade on, I was so confident about it reversing, is based on the daily. So the daily RSI, as you can see, is exhausted. And anytime you see the yellow line, which is the what's that thing called again? Moving average, yeah. The moving average close to this line, that signifies that there's a weakness coming in the market. So when it's far apart like this, there's strength in the market, bullish strength, or when it's going down, there's strong bearish strength. But you see how close it is? This line is about to reverse down. This is going to cross over, and then we're going to go down. So let's go back to the 15. And there we go. Adjust stop loss to candles. And now we have selling pressure entering on the 15-minute chart. Let me go back and check the 1 minute. As I said, I was looking for those lower lows. There we have it. So, as I said, boom, lower high, lower low forming. It's going to struggle in this area a little bit. More than anything, I'm just going to set my, I'm going to take profit at the, when you hear this alert go off, close out on this trade. On the 15-minute chart, set alert at a 30 RSI. Set an alert on the 30 RSI on the 15-minute chart. Well, don't necessarily close out, but go to your 1 minute chart. And once that 30-minute, that 15-minute 30 on the RSI right here at the bottom hits, go to your 1 minute chart and take a look at the candles, because that might be a reversal. But I'm liking this. The MA is far apart from this thing here. this area right here concerns me. I'm hoping we push out of it. I'm liking the RSI on the 15. Let me take a look at the RSI on the daily. It might be touching. It hasn't started curving yet, but we'll be all right. Go back to the 1 minute. We're having some rejection right here. We need this candle to close through it, and we're headed to TP. Where are we? Whichever one comes first, TP or RSI hitting the 30. I think we're probably going to have a reversal right here to the upside. So, yeah, it is a scalp. I'm not liking this long wick right here. Oh, but then sellers came back in. Let's see here. It's about to hit the RSI, and it's about to. We have selling pressure. I think it might even go past here, but I use a pretty high lot size, so I'm good. And we're very close to TP. It hasn't hit. No, this is TP right here. TP is 35579. Make it bigger for you guys. A bit more, but a little bit more, buddy. TP hit. Done. Done and done. Now let's see if it makes a reversal here or keeps pumping down. I think it probably will keep pumping down. That was just a quick play that I knew would happen. It might reject right here and push back up to the upside. Quick and easy. Quick and easy. Come in, get the money, and leave. So let me break that trade down to you guys. So why I knew that would happen? Anytime the R size super oversold, I mean overbought on the daily, right? So let's go out to the daily here and see. Okay. So we entered right around here, right? So I saw that it came up, hit the 70. This is the 70 for those that don't know. And let me explain to the RSI for who might be new. The RSI, Relative Strength Index, basically measures how many buyers and how many sellers there are in the market, and whether it's overbought or oversold. This is going to have a huge pullback. Look at that candle on the daily. This is crazy. But I would wait for confirmation on the, you know what a good tactic is, guys, if you want to take a sell on this thing? I'm not going to take any more trades right now because I don't know, it's looking kind of sketch. I would add an alert on the daily 70. If that hits, I'll hop back in. I'll put possible sell, but I'd hold that because then it would be going down to maybe the 50 or maybe all the way down here because news was negative. We're going to have a huge pullback today. All right. See on the daily, selling momentum is coming in. Go back down to 1 minute. Oh, okay. We may be going. Always look for areas of resistance. So even on the 1 minute here, here's support right here. Let me look for supply. That's probably where the market's going. We find supply in our 15-minute chart, and supply is right here. Let me go ahead and mark it off. Boom. Supply area. Here's another one. I think this is where it's going to go. And let's see here. I think I might be down for another move. Let's take a look at the news real quick. TP2 is being attacked. I wanted to play it safe. Mondays I played safe. Not Monday, sorry. Today I wanted to play it safe. Tomorrow I'm going ham. Like tomorrow's the big boy. Let me summarize this real quick. Overtraded mixed yields. S&P 500 has extended their rally, making their fourth consecutive month of positive returns. Fixed income took a hit. Not a big deal. The 10-year Treasury yield rose. That's positive. June job openings and labor turnover survey came in at 9.52 million, below expected figure. So that was the big news that we were waiting for. Thank you, Tina. You're so great. I like you, Tina. You're awesome. You're awesome. Took years, Tina. I was once a guy just losing money on the markets. But you know what it is? I like to trade around the news. Once you mix, and that's what you're going to learn in the course. Once you mix technical analysis and fundamental analysis together, and kind of just common sense, once you demystify this whole forex thing and just realize it's like they're telling you what's going to happen. You know what I mean? And you just have to not complicate it and just take advantage of it. Where am I? Sorry, that was for your course. All right. Remember what I told you when they come close together right here? That means selling strength is weakening right here. So there might be a buy back up to the upside. And where would it go? I'm on the 15-minute here. If it does, let me go back over here, see if we find any supply zones or any daily levels of resistance. No, I don't see nothing. Let me go to 1 hour. Okay. All the way back here, what we got? Let's switch to my line real quick so I can see it a little bit clearer. If it does rally back up, I'd be interested in this area right here. This area right here. This area right here. I'm going to erase this one. Let me put the Discord over here because I'm looking at my other screen and I can't see your guys' comments. Give me 1 second. Trade locker / broker. All right, cool. And right now I can see you guys. The screen. This course, well, the course is coming later on today. I'm not gonna lie to you, I kind of messed up a little bit in Kajabi. Whenever you edit something, you have to go click save. So I accidentally like deleted 2 videos, so I gotta add them back after this, but it won't take me any time. I was highly disappointed in that, but it happens. Oh, let me go back to my candles and see what's cracking here. All right, so usually now that I have a win under my belt, I made 1600 on that one right there. Easy peasy. Uh, Usually my goal is about 2000 a trade. When I do hop in the market, reset. So I'd like to make another 4. I think the market's going to pull back up this way. I really think it is. After this, what the hell's wrong with this thing? Okay, there we go. So boom. I think that this is just a strong pullback, and we're going to come back up and possibly, what time is it? 10:20. Oh no, it's almost lunchtime. I forgot. Kind of late. It's the 1 hour. Selling momentum has entered the market. This thing is running. Jesus. My leverage? Crazy. Used 0.2% lot size. Thought it was. This thing is moving. Let's see where it is on the daily. Is it bending yet? What I'm looking for on the daily is I'm looking for this thing to bend. I'm looking for these to get closer together and bend. If that happens, I'll know, and that'll confirm to me that we're going to the downside. We're going all the way down, or at least to the 50. Sometimes price goes down to the 50. If you look at around the 50, if you look at the RSI and the daily, you see how the 50 kind of acts as support. Boom, boom, up, boom. Then it'll probably go retest there, then rally back up. Really long wicks to the top. This thing is a lot of selling pressure into the market, but it doesn't look like it's enough. That's why I think it might rally back up to the upside. See any chart patterns here? No. I think I'm going to set another one, and it might not happen anytime soon. Yeah, it is still overbought on daily. So what I'm waiting for it to go ahead, cross underneath the 70, get some steam, let the as I said yesterday in the Q&A, let the sellers, run their legs while the buyers get some steam, take a little rest, and then they're going to run it up. I like to go down to the 1 minute and just look at the candles. You'll be able to tell a lot by the candles. Should I? I think I should. I got a good feeling about this, yeah. Hold on. Long position from here. Hold on 1 second, guys. Put up stop loss right below this area. TP is right here. There it is. Hope you guys see it. Hold on 1 second. I'm going to enter this trade. Bye, 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 bye. All right. It hasn't hit yet. Entry has not hit. Playing around a little bit. Let's see. What the hell? Oh. This is because data feed. Figures, please. Figures. There on my screen. Entry is 35580. This might happen. It might not. Hold on. I'll put it here. Hold on 1 second. Buy. Buy. Paste. I think I'm gonna do not today because I got to do that thing for the course, but all the newbies, I want to do like a live trading or anybody, and where I show you how to set up your account. You know, you can ask me stuff about Trading View. I don't want you guys risking your money until you really know what you're doing. That's kind of, we talked about that yesterday. It's entry. Profit is, second here. Entry up. Profit. Profit. There we go. And stop loss is 355.7.7. Wow. This should put us, that's great for new traders. Thank you. Stop loss. Make sure you're calculating your risk, guys, with the risk calculator. Let's see if this reversal happens now. Anytime you see the market push hard down, then come down and consolidate, it's usually, you know, stretching its legs for a reversal. What I look for are long wicks to the bottom, which are not here. We have a long wick right here, but I'm not seeing that. But I think the market will. It might come down to this area and then bounce it upside. And this is the 1 minute chart. Surprised the RSI on the daily hasn't hit yet. See, that's what I'm looking for right there. You see that? A long wick to the bottom. We should be pushing into entry anytime now. So last size 1.0 is spending how much? 1.00. Let me see here. And I'm going to put an alert at entry in case you guys want to do a market execution. I'm pretty sure this is going to happen. Pretty sure. And entry hit. Keep pushing. We got. All right. Extra confirmation. I'm going to switch from the 1 minute. I only switched to the 1 minute to see these reversals, right? So whenever I'm looking for a reversal, I switch to the 1 minute. I look for long wicks to the bottom. How's that? Hold on a second, guys. I bet. No, why would I? Okay. All right. Hopefully this happens by 11. Where is 11 o'clock? I'm going to put on the line right before 11. Just to remind myself to be out of this thing. 11:30. See here. We have a little bit of a struggle right there. Put 10:59. What the hell? I do think that's just a pullback though, but reason being is I still have the green candles on the volume. So that tells me that there's still buying pressure. Now selling pressure is entered. Price went up to the 50 on the, well, the 30, sorry, the 30 on the, whatchamacallit, but here we go. I don't know if that TP is going to happen. Let me check higher time frame, the 1 hour. I'm going to check the 1 hour because I want to see what the RSI is on the 1 hour. Hmm. We have a lot of selling. Nah, I'm going to move my TP. Let's go back to the 15-minute, find another TP. Looks like it's rallying back down. We have 10 minutes until this candle closes. I'd like to see where this candle closes before I make a decision, really. I do see that. You see how the purple line is crossing up and this one's crossing away from it? Usually that means buying pressure. We're back in the red. Sellers are pumping. Mm, 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 mm. Let's see something here. But I see buying pressure into the market. I see green right here. So should be good to go. Switch to red. Long wicks to the top. I don't think this is going to happen. Let's go down to the 1 minute and see. Do you trade ICT? No. Hmm. TP to right here. New TP. Not much, but it's something. I think this is just a real quick pullback. I think it's going to continue going down. I'm sure for scalping, yes. Like whenever you have like consolidation on the 1 minute, like during lunch, you can look at it just bounce from like the either the 70, not 70, sorry, the 30 to the 50, 30 to 50, 30 to 50. And you can just sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy. I used to do that a lot, but it's risky. So we went up for confirmation of a trend or reversal of reversal of a trend. We're always looking for boom, 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 higher highs. So we need this to push up here, confirm that we have a reversal. It looks like we do because it came down, consolidated a bit, and then made a higher high here. And this one's pushing. We needed to break this area right here. Let's see here. I do believe it's still a push. Let's see. Oof. Selling momentum. Let's see if it bounces off this MA right here and heads back up. Hopefully. Let me see what's going on the 15-minute. I need to see that the RSI is headed up. Yeah. Still under. So it's a battle of the Bulls and the Bears. Let's see who wins. I like that we have green buyer's momentum right here. These things are getting a little too close for comfort to me. But it's a waiting game. Set it and forget it. Not liking that long wick to the top. Go back down to 1 minute, see what's cracking. Should we have consolidation here? We have a lot of come on. I need a candle to break above this area right here, close above this area right here, because there's a lot of selling momentum right here. As you see, buyers try to go here, boom, brought it down, boom, brought it down. So I need this candle to close above this zone. That's like confirmation that we're in I'm gonna wait it out, and sellers are trying. Does anybody know what this candle is called right here? This candle pattern? It's called a bullish engulfing. So anytime you see a big green candle and the body of the green candle engulfs this candle, that means there's heavy buying momentum coming into the market, and it's usually a good sign. So we'll see if it is here. So we're doing it looks like we have a little trend going on here. So let me get my trend line. Draw it from wick to wicks right there. Let's see. Oops, didn't mean to do that. So I'll be looking for rejection off of this right here. Nope. Let's see. 26 seconds left on this candle. Looks like a pretty heavy candle. So hopefully rejects it. Confirm that we're now in an uptrend, and it did. I need a long wick to the bottom, and then we should be hitting TP times it 1043. Oof. I hate when news comes out um, around 10:30 because it gives you kind of less time to trade. Oof. Come on, buddy. Not gonna happen. Let's see if you get wiped out here. Prop firm can follow these trades. Prop firm can follow these trades. What does that mean? Yeah, I think so too. But I'm hoping that it has one hard push before lunch because I'm seeing a lot of long wicks to the bottom. I'm seeing a lot of buying pressure. Uh, well, lunch is at 12. Come on, buyers. Real battle going on right now. See this area keeps getting rejected. Okay, let's see here. It's a little early for it to consolidate. 1046. I'm gonna remove this. But it does look, anytime this yellow MA is just flat like that, it's usually consolidation time. But let me go out to the higher time frame, 15 minutes. See what's going on. Do I like these candles? No, I don't like this candle. Long way to the top on that green one. But I do like that the RSI is still above the 50. And I like that I see buying pressure enter the market. We have big buying pressure here, buying pressure forming on a 15-minute. Let's see. Come on, you son of a biatch. Remove this candle. Twelve minutes. So that candle closes. I'm trying to. Can we copy your trade to pass prop firm? Yes, you can, because the way I trade is it's very safe. I don't take a lot of trades, so that's the best way to pass a prop firm. Really, you just got to control your leverage, control your greed, and just take it nice and easy. 1047. But I would practice what I'm going to teach you in the course first, and then I would do the prop firm. I think the blowing's working. I think we're good. I think we're good. See this right here? Pump it up. You see where you see the candles when they move fast like that on the 1 minute? Something's about to happen. It's about to like take off in either one direction or the other, you know? That stop loss is a little huge. See who wins. I think it is the buyers. I think it's the buyers. Yeah, buddy. Rolling like a big shot. Chevy tuned up like a. I'm gonna hold out for it. You guys don't have to. Check pinned messages in general chat. That would be a good TP right there because we have a lot of resistance right here. But I think it's gonna keep pushing. More resistance. I'm gonna give it 10 more minutes. 7 o'clock. Ooh, I don't like that. Take profit. I'm in my drop top. Here's in the streets. Oof. A lot of resistance in this area. Maybe this consolidation. Yeah. Our side's flat. If you're in profit, close out. Or, yeah, area right here is just got to break the ceiling right here. We're just flat. 1 minute our side, live trades. A win's a win, eh? I feel like it's going to. I'm going to trend right here. See if I could find where it's resisting. There. It's going to take a while. The reason I like looking at a 1 minute chart is because you could tell buyers are trying to push this market up, but sellers are trying to push it down. It's needed to break this area right here. So that candle just confirmed the trend. I think we are in a bullish trend. We're being waked out. You see the wakes, wake. But as I said, you guys could close out if you're in profit. So I'd rather you guys play it safe and not take a win than a loss. But I'm going to hold steady. Hold steady, rock berry. Hey Travis, sorry if you mentioned it already, but what leverage? I use 1 to 3. Sometimes 1 to 5 when I'm feeling randy. When I increase my leverage whenever I trade, there it goes. Whenever I was the GDP news, GDP, what's the other one? Got. Hope my psychologist is like yours one day. It will be. It will be. Who the fuck is up here, man? Somebody. No, keep going, buddy. You want to go. You want to go, buddy. You know you want to go. Come on. Damn. Area is just like All right, this should be it. Break it. Break it. No, I'm gonna close out. That's it. Closey, closey. Too much. Close to 11. I'm out of here. Um, cool. 1800. So that's cool. Forever grateful, brother. You're welcome. You're welcome. In and out, baby. That's how I like to do it. I'm going to take another trade. I like trading news days. I'm going to take another trade in the afternoon, and it's going to be a short. So let's set that up right now. I'm going to remove all this crap. So what I'm going to do is remove drawings, make this thing a little bit less messy. I'm going to show you where we're going to enter and where we're going to exit this afternoon. We're going to set some alerts. Could be a big one. First, we need to find the daily resistance levels to the bottom side of where market's trading right now. So price is right here, right? I do think the market will make a push down this afternoon based on the negative news and after lunch and all that stuff. So I'm going to switch to my line charts, and I'm looking for, let me get rid of these alerts. Okay, I'm looking for areas below this one right here, and I think I found it. This one will do just dandy. It's been tested twice. I think that's perfect right there. Market will probably not get down here. Might, that would be dope. But in case I'm wrong, I'm still looking at this area. I'm going to change the color to green just to signify that it would be a buy. But I think after lunch, we're going to do some fancy, fancy dancy. If during lunch you hear this alert get hit, the market's headed down. So, all right, so I have my possibly my TP. Market might go up here and in reverse. Might let's see here. But I know sometime today this market's going to fall. It's probably going to come to the 50. It's not going to come all the way. It's going to come down, boom, and then push back up. All right, so we got to catch it just right. Now that I have my daily support and resistance levels, I'm going to go to the 15-minute. No, sorry, the 1 hour. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to try to see we have resistance here on the 1 hour. Oh, right there, right here. Seems to be a little area. Let's see here. Let me find the liquidity zones. That's going to tell us where the market's going to go, not necessarily the support or resistance, the liquidity zones. Same thing as supply and demand. Find those by going to the 15-minute, switching back to my candles. I'm just looking for, here's a zone right here. Let's see here. Oh, have a look at the heat map. I totally forgot about that. Yeah, thank you. Where did I put that thing? Yeah. Oops. Is it red or green? I'm pulling it up now. What? Oh. Is there any more news? Oh, news. Caterpillar shares hit record high, Q2. Dow pairs some gains after data. S&P, Dow, Nasdaq trade mixed while yields rise. I think it might be going to the upside there, buddy. That is good news. It's red. This is where I talk about candlestick analysis. This is a battle right here. So at the bottom for new traders, let me explain to you how candles work. All right. So on a green candle, on a bearish candle, this is the open. This is where price opened. This is where buyers pushed the price up to the highest it pushed it up to, and then sellers brought it all the way back down. So this setup here tells me, and then right here is where sellers opened at the top right there, and this is where it closed. So it tells me that, and there's long waves to the top, meaning this makes sense. It's probably going to go to the downside. But where you going, Jimbo? I'm not going to take any more trades. I'm just looking at it. I'll confirm she's taking a dump when that daily RSI signal gets hit. That's something I'll just hit. Even if it happens during lunch, I'll just hit. But I'd wait for it to go below actually. So let me move it just down a little bit because sometimes it bounces off. You see where it bounced off right here? I would wait for it to go like a little bit below that, and then confirmation would be the MA crossing above it. That would be a sell. Possibly down to this area. Let me mark this off. You see where these two candles closed right here? Was a selly. This is where I would take my profit. Let's go down to the lower time frame and see how far that is away. It's right there. So it's struggling in this area right here. It's getting wicked out to the bottom, wicked out to the top. It's hard to tell right now. But you said the heat map is red. Pull it out. Woof. Well, okay. The overall market is red, but see, this is hold on. This is S&P. We got to go to Dow Jones. It's neutral. Well, it's majority red, yeah. You also have to look at the numbers, right? So Microsoft is headed into the green, plus. Johnson & Johnson's headed into the green. PG is neutral. Walmart's negative. Home Depot's negative, 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 negative. Negative. Bank of America is going into the green. Yeah, it's looking pretty selly. Yep, there it is. Yeah, I am back up to lunch. I want to take another trade. I love trading during news. You know, those are my days. That's my skill set. So also, whenever you see, you always want to watch out for areas of consolidation, like areas like this. Mark those off. I call it like high traffic areas. It's like, you know, there's a lot of traffic there. See what's going on. These are great areas to buy out from or to sell from. I think this is going to be a sell. $15-minute. Let me go down to the 1 minute and see if it's cracking. What time is 11:04? Yeah, the market's going to push down. But we have so many areas of, we have resistance here, here. So messy. It'd be nice if it came all the way down here. I think it will. See some lower lows and get my trend line here. Let's see if it follows a trend. Let's see if it rejects there or just keeps going up. It rejected. Well, it's about to reject. Keep forgetting that I have my lock tools thing on. But this is a reversal pattern right here. It's called I believe it's the Doji or Morningstar. I forget which one. That respected the trend line. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Another lower low is coming. But as I said, I don't like to trade inside the zone. I wait for price to go outside. And then I'll probably take something from there after lunch. Yeah. Now it's getting ready for that lunch consolidation. It's probably going to consolidate here during the lunchtime. And then, yeah, look at that. So do this, guys. Set an alert. Move this right here. I'll tell you where to set an alert from now. Actually, don't do anything. Just wait till after lunch. Wait for it to after lunch. I'm just going to put an alarm at 12:50. So I know to come back to the charts. My Apple Watch will ring. And I'll let John know if for sure I'm coming back. I have to do that thing for you guys, this course, and get that thing out to you. But I want to trade after lunch. I do. I think this market's going to take a dump, huge dump this afternoon, just only based on the RSI and the negative news. I think it's going to go far. Because you got to remember, right, in July, we just left July, right? July, the S&P US 30 had the best month yet. So they got to take a break, right? So traders are going to be taking their earnings and they're going to be, selling off, and, they're going to be chilling like a villain, always willing. Yeah, there it is. Go back out to the 15, see where that RSI is. Oh. I would need the 15-minute RSI to come down below here before I confirm for a trade. So I'm going to set an alert right below the 30 right there. Crossing over. It's looking good. But it's just too close to lunch. I don't trust it. All right, guys. Got to roll. Get your course together. I will see you more than likely after lunch. Don't take any trades during lunch. You're going to get stopped out. Thank you, Tina. Thank you, Jake. 2 wins for the morning. And that's how we do it. Slow and steady wins the race, guys. Don't force nothing. Tuesday, we're going to have a win tomorrow. And we're going to have a win on Thursday. And we're not going to trade on Friday. That's what's going to happen. All right. Later, John. Take care, guys. Much love. Oh, you'll get an email when the course is live. Gotcha. Later.